Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and when I was hooking everything up this morning and getting ready to start the video, I thought, do I even remember how to do this? I think it's been a while, hasn't it? But I wanted to start off first, and I plan on doing a tutorial later on, but I wanted to start off by showing some of the things that I have received in the last couple of weeks from you guys, some happy mail. I wanted to start off by showing that because I need to put all of this away so that I can do some work. So I got these handkerchiefs. I got these handkerchiefs from a sweet friend of mine. She sent a ton of them, so I've got a big stack that is orange, red, yellow, and then it starts all over. She sent me 2 packs. They are so pretty. I'll be using those in some of the journals that I send to you guys. So got that. Then she also sent these little birds. I think they're absolutely adorable. They're little acrylic type birds stickers. And then this little sticker book. I've never seen this before. It's also like acrylic, and there's stickers, all kinds of animals and things in there. So I thought that was cute. Never seen it before. And then she sent this little sticker sheet. That was cute. Well, no, she didn't. I think this came as a gift in my package from the person that she ordered this from. Now this is I guess these are stickers. Yeah, these are stickers. I see right there. So another sticker book. Lots of birds. Beautiful things in here. Absolutely gorgeous. I love all of these labels. They're pretty. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And then if I'm not mistaken, from the same person, she sent me these. And these are some vintage postcards. Like 1909 is this one. I mean, I'm telling you, some of these are very, very old. 1912. They're gorgeous. Now, I don't think she minds because I think she actually purchased these and had them sent to me, but let me know. You're watching, I know. So let me know if you mind. But if she doesn't mind, I am going to scan these and I'll put them up on our digitals. So, because, I mean, they're old. And they've got each one of them individually wrapped. I thought that was really cute. I'm not going to go through each and every one of them, but I just wanted you to see. I'll just do a little fan out of them. They're absolutely adorable. And they're very, very old. I love it. Love it, love it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. She also sent this little book. Let me flip it around the right way. It's very old. I can't remember what. I thought I saw a date in here somewhere. Let's see. Summer Scenes. Maybe I didn't see a date. Yeah, 1850. I think is when the book was. But look at that. That is so old. It's very, look at that. So I'll be scanning some of these pages too. I mean, they're a good size to put in a journal just in between some of your larger pages. I love that. But look how crooked this was printed on here. You know, they didn't really have all of the capabilities that everybody does now. So they just had to print them the best they could. But it's got some of that water damage look. I like that. And Misery's W. So thank you so much for those. And then I received and I'm thinking this is from her as well, a package of butterflies. Well, 3 packages of butterflies. Gorgeous. Some flowers. More flowers. More flowers. Flowers. Those black and white are pretty. And then these are more of a blue and purple. Love them. Thank you so much. And then a couple of packs of labels of different kind. I love those too. And then I got this from someone, and I don't remember who. When I was out for a while, they were opening my packages and just putting things down so that I could kind of get back to it when I could, but I don't remember who sent this. It may have been the same person, but isn't that pretty? I love that. That'll make a good journal cover. And then this package came from Lori. Well, no, I think this says thank you for your purchase, and I didn't purchase anything from her, so I'm thinking that this person actually sent this too. She buys some stuff and has it sent to me. Isn't that sweet? So I'm thinking this came from her as well. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the garbage. So we've got some beautiful lace here. Isn't that pretty? And then this is like a satin fabric. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. That'll be fun to use. More lace, kind of a cottony lace. And then purple. There's another white eyelet, sorta. And then that's a cute one. That's a little brown lace. There's a pretty one. I don't have any of that color at all. And then a lot of these doilies. Aren't these pretty? Very, very pretty. I can't imagine crocheting something like that or knitting or whatever they did. That's not in my DNA. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I will definitely look forward to using all of those. I got a couple of books. This friend of mine spoils me. I'm sure this is from her as well. But she spoils me rotten. She sends me too much, but I love it. I'm not going to tell her to stop. This is 1859. It's beautiful. I love the feel of the pages. Let's see. It's England and its people. Hugh Miller. But that's pretty. I love that. I love the cover. And then she sent me this, and I thought, what in the world is that? But look at that cover. I mean, isn't that something else? And it's got a little latch closure here. So I opened it up, and I thought, what is this? Is this a book? Well, no. I mean, it's a book, but this is... Whoops. I'm trying to get it out. I don't think I can without tearing everything. This is cabinet cards. There we go. I can get it out that way. So these are cabinet cards. See on the back it says Emma Miller, age 3. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And then someone has written in there some information about her. Oh my goodness. So a lot of them have cabinet cards in them, and then they had some extra cabinet cards here that they sent along with it. And I think she ordered this and had it sent to me, I'm pretty sure. But I didn't have any cabinet cards, so I was so excited when I got these. So excited. I'm still excited. And look at these pages. Those are pretty. Look at that one. Let's see. Ooh, see if I can get it out. Yeah, look at that. Now, some of them have, and I don't know which ones. I'll just have to pull them out and look at them. Some of them have some writing there. Like that one's got writing on the back. Some of them have other information on the back of them. So, just excited to look through this. But this one is old, you can tell. Very, very old. Look at that cabinet card. Looks like one of Tim Holt's people, doesn't it? So this is nice. This is very nice. And these are very thick, these pages. Look at that one. Look at that little guy. Let's see if he says anything on the back. No. Some of them, it looks like they've covered the back because they put this frame around them, and that's okay. Some people did that, and then some people just left the back where it was readable. Oh, look at her. Oh, my goodness. Let's see if we can get her out. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Wow. I can't read what it says at the bottom. No, I can't read it, but oh my goodness. That's a treasure. If that was my great-great-great-grandmother or whatever, I wouldn't want to get rid of that. And then a little bonus, that's a postcard in there. Oh, what's this? Oh, another little cabinet card in there. So thank you so much. I will definitely be using this. And I'm going to be using the extra little, I will definitely be using those, and I'm going to be using this cover for something. Thinking about making a journal out of it. Look at that. Now, it definitely needs some cleaning up, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then the last thing I think that she sent me was more of these. She knows that I've been using these in almost every project that I have had. So she sent me 4 more packs of those. And then she sent me 2 of the Edith Holden books. This one, I do not have this one at all. This is Garden Notes. And then I have a copy of this, I do believe. But I love more and more and more of Edith Holden. Look at that. So pretty. She has the best books. Look at this one. This is old. This is a lot older than the one that I have. Let's see. When was it published? Published date 1871 through 1920. So that is an older one. The pages have already discolored. I love that. So thank you so much for those. Then I have one more box, and this is from Belinda. Oh, thank you, Belinda. And she sent some napkins, some doilies, some bling, and then I'm going to pull out some of this because it's in packages, and we'll open it up and go through it. I'm not going to put the box up there because it has her address on it. Now, she sent a lot of this around Easter, I think, but I have just been not feeling well at all, so I haven't been able to open anything or go through anything. And look at these little bags that she sent all this stuff in. Aren't those cute? I've never seen any bags like that before, but look at this lace. Oh my goodness, I love it. Some of you guys will definitely see this on your journals. Definitely. But these are so cute, those little bags. I can't throw those away. I'll have to figure out how to use those. And I apologize if I still sound winded. It's just, I've been doing quite a bit of stuff this morning just because I'm behind on so many things. And I'm just a little bit tired already. But that's the only way I can get my strength back, is just to keep on going. I'm off of the medicine so far, and I'm hoping and praying that when I go back Tuesday that I don't have to take another round of it. But if I do, I do. Look at that. I love that teal. So pretty. Thank you, Belinda. And that, isn't that gorgeous? Let's go ahead and open up all the... And I know a lot of you have said, don't push yourself, take your time. I'm not pushing myself. If I don't feel like it, then I just don't do. But I know that in order to get strength back after an event like I had, you have to kind of get up and start moving some to build your strength back up. So that's what I'm doing each day. I'm doing a little bit more and a little bit more just to build my strength back up. So I promise you I'm not overdoing it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Thank you so much. And then another one. My goodness, I love these bags. I think I've said that about 10 times already, haven't I? More lace and trims. These are so pretty. I don't have any of that color at all. I don't have any like that either. Well, really, I don't have any like any of these. So let's look at this. Yeah, I needed to get some of this put away so that I could actually get to my filming desk. So I thought, well, might as well go ahead and do a video on what I got, and then I can put it away and then get ready to do some tutorials. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Thank you so much. And then this one has the pom-pom trim, and I'm not going to take all of that out, but it looks like purple and then a pink and a yellow. Very nice for Easter. That's real pretty. Okay, let's look in these little bags. These bags are cute too. Oh, I'll have to use those too. Look at that. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's got like acrylic little things on there. Isn't that cute? I've not seen any of that, I don't think. Or if I have, I don't remember it. Which is possible that I don't remember anything. Oh my goodness, this has got some big ones on it. It's got, I think that's like women there. Yeah, girls dancing. Oh, how pretty. Thank you. And then a big thing of purple bling. Oh, there's some more lace and trims there. My goodness. I had missed that one. Oh, those are pretty. Look at that. I can't remember what they call these, but that is so pretty. I don't have any of those either. Thank you. More bling. You guys know I love bling. I love bling. I love lace. I love anything that has to do with crafting. Anything. That's my problem. That's why I almost can't get in here to film, is because I've got so much. Look at that. Now that is gorgeous right there. Oh, I love that. That looks like it's very, very old. Very pretty. Thank you so much. Yeah, we don't have anything that looks like that around here anywhere. Oh, those are pretty. Those look pretty on a journal. And then these are some doilies, and these look like some that she might have cut out maybe. I'm not sure, but those are cute. I'm going to leave them in there so that I don't destroy them. And then some napkins, and this one, and then that one, and then looks like there's this color in between. Isn't that pretty? I love that one right there. I'll be using some of those too. So, and I thank you so much, Belinda. That was so sweet of you to send all of that. I really appreciate it. All right, so thank you guys so much. I will talk to you in a little while, if nothing happens, on a tutorial video. Thank you guys for sending me all of this good stuff. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.